Hi everybody, it's Mr. Steve. We're just chilling right now in the parking lot of Walmart. I haven't been inside of a store in over a week. I just, you know, I've been super deluxe quarantined for a while. And the fact that I've driven to the Walmart is, you know, that says a lot. This is the first time that I've driven through most of the town. It's surprising how much is closed down. Our local Golden Corral is closed down, which seems a bit late because even when there wasn't a disease, you could still get a disease from that Golden Corral. That's allergies. I have asthma and severe allergies. Got a lot of white hairs coming in here, you see that? Anywho. We are here because, say hi, Eleanor.
Hi.
We're not going into the Walmart. We're staying in the car. What is happening is, there's something I've wanted for my birthday for a very long time. For a very, very, very long time. And apparently, Walmart just put it to clearance. It's one of those plug-and-play video game console emulators where you get a little box for like 40 or 50 bucks and it has 200 games, you know? Except this one is like a limited edition one and it's not available everywhere. And it has, you know, Atari games and Coleco games and Capcom games and all of these arcade games in it. But it also has a series of Disney games. So it also has like a Donald Duck game from the Sega Genesis. It has Fix-It Felix from Wreck-It Ralph, as if it's a normal game. It's got the Lion King and Aladdin games from the Super Nintendo. It also has, and this is the main reason that I want it, Super Star Wars, Super Empire Strikes Back, and Super Return of the Jedi. Those are great games. And I believe I've beaten all of them. They're ridiculously hard. But those games in and of itself are worth like 50 bucks. So the whole video game system is only $44, except this Walmart apparently just brought it down to clearance, so it's available for only $11. And according to Walmart.com, the Walmart in Oklahoma City is out of it, the Walmarts in Oklahoma City are out of it, the one in Midwest City is out of it, the one in Choctaw is out of it, the one in Seminole is out of it, but this one should still have it in stock. So I was going to go in and find it, but my wife says, rightfully so, I should not be going out in public at all. I have severe chronic asthma. It is very hard for me to breathe. And if anyone is going to get sick and suffer from being out in public, it is going to be me. So I'm not going in. Really want to go in because I haven't been in any store. I haven't been in any supermarket. I don't know what they look like. I keep hearing these horror stories of all the food being gone and no toilet paper and all that. I don't know. I haven't been inside of a single store. You know, I've been put on lockdown. I am compromised. I heard that my asthma is so bad that basically it's like I'm a 80-year-old man. When it comes to the coronavirus, that I am so susceptible to it. So that's why, basically, I'm Rapunzel and Tangled. But Amber said, if you drive to Walmart, I'll go in and I'll look for it. So that's why we're here. My wife was worried that I would say, oh yeah, I'll just wait in the parking lot and Amber will go in. And my wife's like, I know you, Steve. You'll still want to go in. I know you. So that's why we brought Eleanor, because Eleanor can't lie. Eleanor is sweet. So that's why Eleanor is here. That's why we are hanging out in the parking lot of Walmart, because my wife doesn't trust me. Walmart being Walmart, I don't know if they will actually have it in stock for $11. Hopefully they do. I really want this. And also, I got nothing for my birthday. Well, I got one thing. My daughter, Emerald, she's not my actual daughter. I started dating my wife when Emerald had just turned 1 year old. She was only like 15 months old when I first met her. And I just instantly fell in love with her. And I've basically been her dad, her father, since she was 1 year old. Now she's 18. And she doesn't have my same last name. She doesn't, I wasn't put on a birth certificate. I don't have any legal authority. But she's my daughter. I have taken care of her for so long that I forget that I'm a stepfather. I am her actual father. I sometimes forget that we're not blood, that I wasn't there for your birth. So, Emerald, this is really the only thing that I got for my birthday. Emerald let me know last night that she's getting papers so that I can legally adopt her and legally be her father. It's very sweet. Peppa and George went to go hang out with Paul and Ringo. By Cracky. Hi, Eleanor. How you doing?
Good.
I guess this is a vlog. I don't know. But, fingers crossed, Amber comes back with a video game system. I don't know. I mean, Walmart being Walmart, they might not have it, but the chances are good that they might. I mean, who would go for a video game console now? Who would brave Walmart just to get like a video game console? Apparently me, but I don't think anybody else is crazy enough to do this right now. So, it might be there. I just got a text from Amber. She says that she has found the system and will be going to purchase it. So this might go from a parking lot of Walmart vlog into an awesome unboxing and playthrough video, which will be awesome. Yes. Can you tell I'm excited? Oh, I've got an Altoid in my mouth. Are you excited, Eleanor? Yeah! So excited.
You need to lamp it that when he comes in cow.
Yeah, I will. Yay!
Got me one too.
You got one too, because it's $11.
There's 3 of them actually.
Oh,
I couldn't find it in clearance, so I had to ask a Walmart worker.
was it $25?
No.
It was, okay, good. It was $11. Look at that. Ah! Because the games on this are so great. I'm so happy. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Amber, for risking the coronavirus to get me this. One thing I saw online is that don't update the firmware. It will cause it to not work. So, don't update the firmware, whatever that is. Oh, that's the show Gargoyles. Guys, we are back from Walmart. So far, I don't have COVID-19, but check this bad boy out. The Legends, the At Games Legend Flashback with HDMI output. So this goes right to my big screen TV. 720p HD output, but that doesn't bother me because these are really old games. It has a $25 sticker. It was $11, and some of the games on here. I am so excited.
All right, I'm ready. I'm sorry.
Hey, you can't do that. How would you like it if you were in their place?
got it working. This is it right here. Right below my PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4 near my Wii and my other Wii. You're supposed to use an HDMI cable to connect it to the TV. And it doesn't say anything on any of the packaging, but the HDMI cable is not included. But I have used...
Guys,
Huh?
guys, do you like Lunchables?
Do they like what?
Lunchables.
Lunchables. Yes, I'm sure they do. So, I don't have an HDMI cable, but I did... I believe that the HDMI cable for my PlayStation 5... PlayStation 4? PlayStation 4? PlayStation 4 will work just fine on it. So we're going to give it a try right now. Okay, let's see if this works. There you go, at Games. Those are the same people who made the Sega Genesis emulator. There you go. Look at that. 1942, that's a great game. Dig Dug, I am a champion at. Ghouls and Ghosts, Mappy. Oh, this is the first Mega Man. Oh, look at that, the first Mega Man. Rally X, I'm great at that game. Super Street Fighter 2, Tetris, okay. All games? There you go. Okay, let's check out all the games. Disney's Aladdin, that's a classic. Bad Dudes has some of the worst writing. Burning Rubber, I was really good at Burning Rubber. Oh, and Burger Time, man. Choplifter City Connection, I was really good at that. Commando, they used to call it, some arcades would just call this Rambo. So that was a popular movie. Dig Dug, I am the champion at Dig Dug. That Donald and Maui something or other? I don't know that game. It may have been just a Sega Genesis game. Express Raider. I think I know that game. Fix-It Felix Jr. from Wreck-It Ralph. That is awesome.
I'm really good at that game.
Yeah. Yeah. Galaga, Gargoyles. Oh, Disney's Gargoyles. Those are raisins. Ghouls and Ghosts, Heavy Barrel, Sidearms. Oh, I know that game. Joe and Mac Return, Judge Dredd 95. Interesting. I see they have some like ColecoVision games because there's Jungle Hunt. Mappy, I think I was good at that. The first Mega Man and Mega Man 2, that's great. A Minor 2049er Volume 2. And I think I remember Montezuma's Revenge as well. I mean, just the amount of games that are on here are incredible. A lot that I see that I don't know. Ooh, an old pinball game. Old bowling game. Rally X is great. So much fun. Sly Spy Shootout. Strider. That's a great game. That is a great game. And then Super Burger Time. Here's the reason why I wanted to get this. Super Star Wars, Super Empire Strikes Back, and then boom, Super Return of the Jedi, and right next to that is Super Street Fighter 2. That right there is worth it. And then these are supposed to be good. I don't know about the Jungle Book, but the Lion King was supposed to be a great game. Oh, I didn't know Zaxxon was on here too. And then Zombies Ate My Neighbors. Oh, great game. This is amazing. This is really amazing, the amount of games that are on here. And I am super happy to get it. This makes being locked in my house a little bit better. Burning Rubber. I remember being good at this game. Let's give it a try. Okay, all of that. Yes. Good jump coming up. Yes. Ooh. Ah. I was doing really good there for a while. Oh, I made the jump and then I crashed. Okay. Come on, see. Oh, I'm horrible at this. I thought oh, look at that. Okay. D, A, D. Yeah. Oh, I gotta go to N. Okay, fine. Booyah! Okay, let's... Okay, so the reset button just takes you to this instead of resetting the whole thing. That's good. Dig Dog, my skills are great in Dig Dog. Let's, you know what, let's play Fix-It Felix. Yay! Let's see, does it play the whole story? So I would like to see that. If I just let it, if I just leave it alone, will it play? Like, there you go. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Hey, you moved my stump. Rawr. Do, 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 do. I'm gonna wreck it. Yay. Cool. Okay, yeah, I'm ready to play. Let's do this. I'm gonna wreck it. Smash, smash, smash. Climb, climb, climb. Kill that guy. Alright, so A to jump, B to fix. A to fix, B to jump, I think. Yeah, there you go. Whoa. Oh, just barely. Ooh. Booyah! Yeah. Easy enough, dodge the bricks. Fix this. Oh! Once I said easy enough, I died. Yes! Medal of Heroes! Oh, I got a kiss, and then... Boom! Chocolate! Ah! Man! Oh! And I'm dead. That's 2 high scores I've gotten in about 5 seconds. So
I'm in the field.
you are.
Look.
Maybe not be in the video because people might want to actually see the video game. Can you move? Thank you. And I'm dead. Hard to end the video. Oh, Zaxxon. I was good at Zaxxon. Okay. So that's a look at the games on this machine there. Eleanor, can you move? I'll see you later, guys. Like and subscribe.